How to clear cache on Samsung TV. Now, once you are here on the main home page, at the bottom left corner, you'll see Settings. From here, go to All Settings. Now, from here, swipe down below and tap on Support. From here, select Device Care. Now, once you come here, choose Manage Storage. Now, from here, you can see various applications. Under each and every app, select View Details. Now, over here in the middle, you can see Clear Cache. If you tap on it, you will be able to clear cache from your Samsung Smart TV on specific applications. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.